Welcome to Digital Scholar Hub. From today we are going to learn WordPress, and this is the first lecture of this WordPress. If you are online earning or you have any business, then my advice is to have your own website. Should be. Build it yourself. After learning this course on this channel, you will be able to create a professional website for yourself or your clients. A person can easily understand and create his own website. Be sure to subscribe, like and share the channel and press the bell button so that this course can reach you regularly. So let's go to today's lecture. Stay with me. What is XAMPP? How can we use it? And how can you successfully install this XAMPP server on your computer? So first, the complete look of XAMPP. X stands for cross-platform, A stands for Apache, M stands for mysql, which is the database that will be used for WordPress. P stands for PHP, which is a programming language, and P stands for Perl, which is a programming language. XAMPP is a local server. It is open source and free. This platform provides you with an environment where your MySQL database will also be protected, on which PHP programming will run so that you can install your WordPress here. Now consider this local server. Any website that you can view on your system through the internet is protected on cloud hosting. Its server is created there, on which all the database is saved, and from there you are getting data on your system through internet. This is paid hosting. You will buy this hosting, only then you will be able to do cloud hosting, and your website will be live on the internet. The website is accessible to everyone only because of this cloud hosting, and any person in any corner of the world using the internet can access it. What is local hosting? If you want to install local hosting on your computer, then you have to use XAMPP server. This XAMPP server is installed only on your system. It's not cloud-based, and it's free. You must install the software. When you install the software, your server will be hosted locally on your computer or whatever your system is. Now you will also be given the same facility. Your PHP language will run, and your MySQL database will be created here. When we are learning WordPress, building our local websites, building our local applications, then we use XAMPP server for local hosting. It is open source software. XAMPP server is hosted locally on your system. Only you can access it. That is, the website you have created, only you will be able to see it. No one in the world can access it because this database is saved only in your computer. When you build your website, if you want to make it live, you can do it. Hosting must be purchased, and this local hosting website goes live. First, open your Google, type XAMPP. The website apachefriends.org will open in front of you. As soon as you click on it, here is the setup for Windows. All its latest versions are given here. Click on the download button. As soon as you click on the download button, the download will start automatically. Now you go to the download folder and double-click on Setup. As soon as you click on it, here a pop-up window will appear in front of you. First of all, this window will appear in front of you. Ignore this message. Click on OK button. You click on the next button. There is no need to change any setting. Just click on the next button. Setup will start saving in C drive. But don't save it in C drive, because the reason for this is that whatever Windows settings are installed in Windows, these are in C drive. If your window becomes corrupt, files are deleted, and your entire database of the website will be deleted. So it would be better if you save it in some other drive. To move from C drive to another drive first, you want to install XAMPP server in which drive? For example, you want to install in E drive. So you open the E drive and create a new folder in it. The folder name can be anything. It is better to name it XAMPP. Now you come back to XAMPP, install Setup, and here double-click on C drive on Setup. Then click on E drive when you click. You will see the XAMPP folder, select it, and click on the OK button. Then click on the next button, and here you can see English language, and here you can see Ready to install. Click on Next button. It will start installing on your computer. It takes some time. So as it will install if you check mark it, it will start if you uncheck it. So it won't start. Check mark it and click on Finish button. Here, Apache, MySQL, you can see all these things. For example, your setup does not start. So go to the E drive and open the XAMPP folder that was created. And finally, you will see XAMPP control. Double-click on it. This way, your XAMPP server will open. Here you start Apache and MySQL. As soon as you click on Start, it will appear in green color. Now your XAMPP server will start working, and now you go to Google and type localhost and press Enter. Then you will see XAMPP dashboard. Now you can create a database on your computer and create your own website. Hope you understand what is XAMPP server and how to install it. Still, if you don't understand anything, you can ask in the comments. God willing, then next, you will learn how to install WordPress. Thanks for watching and listening. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the channel, and definitely press the bell button.